All right, before we get into the brunt of the course, I just wanted to kind of focus your mind in the direction that we're going, okay? So you're going to see that we're separating out three different things. We have information product, we have the physical product, and we have the productized service, okay? Productized service. And the reason we aren't going to talk about services in general in this, one, because it's not what the course is about, but two is that it's a very different beast than products. In fact, services have a whole different structure, okay? So we're going to keep that out of this thing. If we do a productized service, it's much, much different, and we'll talk about that as we go on. But the reason we are bringing these out, it's not because you need to pick one or the other. You can do all three if you want. In fact, many of my business partners do all three, okay? But I just wanted to be able to focus and help you to see that, hey, there are these three different opportunities out there to start selling your products online, offline, and so on, okay? So you have your physical product, you have your information product, and you have your productized service, okay? Three very different animals, but they meld very, very well together. Okay, they meld very, very well together. So I'm excited. Let's get into the next part of this course.